so glad you're here because today I'm unboxing something that I've been really excited to try. 3 key things with regards to red light therapy and why I think this is going to be such a powerful ritual for women nanometers. Actually goes deeply into our skin cells. And over the next 30 days, I'm going to be trying this mask out every single day to see what transformation we can create naturally. This isn't just skin care sitting on the surface of your skin. This is actually red light therapy, talking to your skin at a cellular level. Hello lovely ones, I'm so glad you're here because today I'm unboxing something that I've been really excited to try. It's the Eterno Red Light Therapy Mask with green tea and marine collagen ampoules. And over the next 30 days, I'm going to be trying this mask out every single day to see what transformation we can create naturally. I just want to cover what we'll be covering in this video. 3 key things with regards to red light therapy and why I think this is going to be such a powerful ritual for women like us. So firstly, we're going to cover what does red, yellow and green light actually do for our skin. The second thing I'd like to talk about is why is this mask different from any sort of sheet mask or serum that you can put on your face. Third thing is how I'm turning this into a daily ritual for my skincare, for my body, my mind and my soul. Red light, specifically actually 610 to 630 nanometers, actually goes deeply into our skin cells. And as a result of that, it stimulates collagen. It improves elasticity. And it also reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin and inflammation. So what's not to like? Now, the yellow light comes in at 580 nanometers, and this has different ways in which it brings healing and revitalization and renewal to the skin. This light calms sensitive skin and it brightens the complexion. And then we have the green light that comes in at 520 nanometers. So all of these different lights with their different light spectrums bring different healings. In the green light, it helps hyperpigmentation of the skin. It's known for calming redness and just overall skin tone balance. All in all, this is gently giving your skin a gentle reset button, especially with hormonal shifts where everything can feel like things are changing. Hello, this isn't just skin care sitting on the surface of your skin. This is actually red light therapy, talking to your skin at a cellular level. So here's my red light mask in here. Here's the EMR Tek label, and I'm just gonna undo this right now with you by my side. So let's get this mask out. Exciting, so exciting. You can use it as an opportunity to start your day or end your evening on a really positive note, connecting to divine source, connecting to intentions that are going to support your day, meditating, doing some breathing exercises. A beautiful addition to rituals that support our well-being and our health. EMR Tek, and then a lovely pull here to reveal the mask. Here is the mask itself. I think you may be able to see all the different lights here dotted around, so they'll be on when this is all set up properly. There's a lovely thank you note here. Have a lovely gorgeous bag to keep the mask in. Nice and big. The guide here, the user-friendly guide to how to set this all up. I think we've got straps to keep the mask on here for the head. Here we have a remote control for the different settings. So we've got different light settings that we can use. We've got green light, yellow light and red light therapy that we're going to be using with this mask. And we have our charger. I also bought these. I absolutely adore these. I've had these before. I've used them with my other red light panels and they are, I'll show you. I just love it. You snap the tops off and you use one of these ampoules every time you use the light on your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. So actually we've got 20 days worth in these packages. It's marine collagen, perfect for women of our age. As we move through perimenopause, menopause and into the older years, obviously we know that our skin takes a hit. And I want to do all of this naturally. I always have done. This is a beautiful added luxury treat for your skin and to do with your morning ritual with your red light mask. So when this mask is paired with these ampoules that are packed with rich antioxidants and marine collagen and CoQ10, it becomes a real beautiful ritual of science and self-care all in one package. I know how well these red light therapy units work. We've got a fire dragon, we've got 2 fire storms as well, and we use them a lot, and I've used them with these, and the quality of my skin when I was doing the 2 together is uncomparable. I love to do my red light therapy in the morning. It sets me up for a gorgeous day. So for 15 minutes, and the mask may be shorter, and we'll see over the next 30 days, I like to put on my green tea ampoules, put them on my face, sit down in a meditation in my sacred space where I meditate every day and do my yoga practice, tune in to what's needed for the day. And then we go out into the world and we share that because we've set up a frequency and an energy that is loving, that is patient, that is kind, whatever the frequency you called in this moment before the day starts. You take that out into your conversations, you take that out into your actions, and we take that out into the world. And one breath, one comment, one step at a time, one frequency at a time, we change the vibration, we change the energy. So we share this love and we share this light through the light therapy, through the ampoules, through our intentions, to our envision, our futures. Why not? What a beautiful ritual for us women and a few good men, I'm sure. If you've made it thus far with me, thank you so much for watching this video. I will be doing a 30-day review of this. So in 15 days, I'll do another video. I'll share real, truthful insights as to how it's been going. And also at 30 days where I will also share with you how it's all been going on. If you are curious about this mask, I've put my link in the description below. It is in the link below. Don't miss out on that. Click on the link below and that automatically put a discount code on for you. And one last thing before you go, over 90% of you who watch this video are not subscribed. If you enjoy my content and you want to be part of a moving initiative of people who want to share good news, positive news, and share light, connect to energy and frequency that uplifts this planet, to envision this world as unified, not separate, then click like, share and subscribe. And it helps my little small channel more than you know. So thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe, comment, like, share. So let's share good vibes, good energy, good love. Your radiance is always, always worth coming back to. And I will see you soon for the next chapter of this glow up. Oh, one last thing. I'm also recording for you 3 different meditation videos to go with this. So a red light meditation, a yellow light meditation, and a green light meditation to connect you to Great Spirit, to Great Source, and to start your day off grounded, full of love and connected. I am love, I am light, I am all that is divine, and in this truth I live. And in this truth I live. Peace.